Inhibitor switch adjustment. To adjust the inhibitor switch, select the shifter lever to the N range. Slightly loosen the inhibitor switch mounting bolt. Align the manual control lever hole to the inhibitor switch hole. And fasten the inhibitor switch mounting bolt. Finally, verify the N range using the scanner.